atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere, or the biosphere. Okay, they are the common factor mainly studied into the environment. So, in the environment, there are the different kinds of chemical reactions which is taking place, and that concept is known as a environmental chemistry. In environmental chemistry, we have the 5 chapters, and they get studied in detail. Number one, that is the basic concept of the environmental chemistry. In that, first content will be the energy. What do you mean by energy? Yes, anybody? What do you mean by energy? Energy is nothing but it is a capacity to do the work.
Yes, sir.
मराठीमध्ये काय म्हणतो बापू आपण एनर्जीला? ऊर्जा. Suppose we are not taking the meal. Suppose we are not taking the lunch. What happens? तुम्ही जेवण नाही केलं तर काय होईल?
चक्कर येतात सर.
हा?
चक्कर येतात.
We can't do the work. So it is a capacity to do the work. Suppose in our bike there is no petrol. What happens? It can't move from one place to another place. So for the survival of living organism, they require the energy. And which is the chief source of energy? That is the sun. From the sun we are getting the energy. So energy is nothing but it is the capacity to do the work. Then what is the definition for environment and of the basic concept of the environmental chemistry? Then in energy, there is the basic concept of the energy of the definition. Then types, the energy are the kinetic energy as well as the potential energy. Then forms of energy. Then law of thermodynamics. Yes, anybody what do you mean by or which are the law of thermodynamics? First law and second law. माहित आहे? Then other content is the stoichiometry. Then Gibbs energy, chemical potential, chemical equilibrium. Then in environment there are the acid-base reactions are there. Then solubility products, solubility of the gases in water. Then carbonate system, saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons, and another will be the radionuclides. So these are the different contents. They get mainly included in our basic concepts of the environmental chemistry. Then another content is the chemistry of air. What do you mean by air? Bapu, Supriya, what do you mean by air? A-I-R. Air म्हणजे काय? It is the mixture of gases. Yeah, it is the mixture of gases. In here there are the different gases are there, or it is the mixture of gases. किती मुलं आले आता?
कोणतं सांगू?
आता फर्स्ट इयरला किती होते?
फर्स्ट इयरला 3 होतं.
हो का? इथं तर दोघंच आले. So air is nothing but it is the mixture of gases. Which gases are mainly present into the air? They are the nitrogen, carbon dioxide, correct? Carbon dioxide, oxygen, helium, neon, argon, etc. etc. एक 2 मिनिटं होल्ड करा थांबा. पोकळे अटेंडन्स केली?
हा सर.
हा तर ठीक आहे, आपण काय बघतो आज जस्ट इंट्रोडक्टरी पार्ट ऑफ द एन्व्हायरमेंटल केमिस्ट्री.
Okay, okay.
Another content will be the chemistry of air. What do you mean by air? It is the mixture of gases, different kinds of gases. It makes the air. Then, what is the composition of air? How much gases, or what will be the percentage of different gases into the air that makes the air? So air is nothing but it is the mixture of gases. Which gases? They are the nitrogen, they are the oxygen, carbon dioxide, helium, argon, neon, etc., etc. So the total sum of all these gases are the 100. Out of that, 78% will be the nitrogen is there, 21% is the oxygen is there, and 0.032% is the CO2. And remaining are the 0.001, 0.005. So it makes the 100. So that will be the composition of air. Then what about the classification of elements? It is again another content. Then composition of the air, then chemical specification, the particle size and radicals in the atmosphere, chemical processes for the formation of organic as well as the inorganic particulate matters. What do you mean by particulate matters? The particulate matters either solid or the liquids. They having the its dimension is less than 10 microns. Then toxic chemicals, they get mainly present into the environment. They are the pesticides. What do you mean by pesticides? It is a chemical or the substance to use for killing the pest. That is known as the pesticides. They are the insecticides, rodenticides. Okay. Then arsenic, cadmium, lead, mercury, carbon monoxide, and the ozone. So these are the heavy metals. They are the heavy metals. They get also again studied in our the chapter number 2, that is the chemistry of air. Then MIC, that is methyl isocyanate gas, and other carcinogens in air as well as the water. We get studied in detail. Then third content, that will be the chemistry of water. They are the chemistry of water. The chemistry of water, what will be the chemistry of water? You know, what is the chemical formula of water? They are the H2O, hydrogen molecules and one oxygen molecule. It makes the H2O, that is, it makes the water. Then what is the structure for water molecule? Then solubility of the compounds in water, then dissociation constant, then water quality parameters for the assessment of the water. To check the water, we have the different kinds of parameters to check the standards of the water through the water quality parameters and their standards according to ISI, according to the MPCB or the CPCP norms. They have the different kinds of standards. Then what about the chemistry of soil? What do you mean by soil? Anybody? Soil म्हणजे काय रे बापू पोपळे?
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by soil, or what is the difference between soil and land? जमिनीमध्ये आणि मातीमध्ये काय फरक असतो रे? Is there any idea? Soil is nothing but it is the uppermost part of the land in which plants can grow. That is known as the soil. And what about the land? The remaining earth crust are the land. Okay. Here in which the soil, there are the nutrients are there, and they are essential for the growth of plants. So soil is the uppermost part of the land.
Okay.
That is known as the soil. So what will be the chemistry of soil, or what is the composition of soil? The soil in which there are the 4 components are there. They are the air, then water, then minerals and the organic matter. 45% minerals are there, 5% organic matter, 25% is the air, and 25% is the water, and it makes the soil. So that will be the composition of the soil. We will study in detail. कशी soil तयार होते? They have the minerals 45%, 5% organic matter, 25% is the air, and 25% is the water. Like this, it is the mixture of soil or the composition of the soil. Then biogeochemical cycle. What do you mean by bio? Yes, anybody? What is the meaning of bio? Bio means the living one. Or the what about the geo? Geo means the land. Means there is the movement of chemicals into the land, or they get cycled. That is known as the biogeochemical cycle. They are the movement of nitrogen, oxygen, carbon, sulfur, phosphorus, etc. These are the examples, or these are the different kinds of cycles. The biogeochemical cycles.
Hello. Hello.
हा आवाज येतो ना?
हा येतोय.
हो सर.
हा मध्येच डिस्कनेक्ट झालं होतं ते.
हा सर प्रॉब्लेम येतो.
ठीक ठीक. काय बोलत होतो आपण? बायोजिओकेमिकल सायकल्स. व्हॉट डू मीन बाय बायोजिओकेमिकल सायकल? Bio means the living one, all the living organisms, and geo means the land, and they get cycled into the land. So the biogeochemical cycle is the cycle. There is the movement of chemicals into the environment or into the land. They get cycled through the continuously. They get cycled, and that concept is the biogeochemical cycle. That biogeochemical cycle are basically two types. One is a gaseous cycle and another is a sedimentary kind of cycle. The gaseous cycles are the nitrogen, they are the oxygen, They are the carbon. And what about the sedimentary kind of cycle? Those cycles, they get mainly present into the sediments or the rock. They are the sulfur or the phosphorus. That is known as the sedimentary kind of cycles. And that makes the biogeochemical cycles. Then another content is the micronutrients of the soil. Which are the nutrients? They are the nitrogen, phosphorus and the potassiums. They are essential for the growth of plants. They are the nutrients. Then what are the factors? They are affecting the quality of the soil, or the soil affecting factors. Then absorption of the contamination in soil. Absorption of contamination in soil. Then another content is the toxic chemicals. They get mainly present into the soil. What do you mean by toxic? They are the study of poison
Yes, sir.
or the contaminators. They get mainly present in the soil, air as well as the waters. Then another content is the greenhouse effect. In that, they have the introduction regarding the greenhouse effect. Then what are the sources of greenhouse gases? The major greenhouse gases. And what about the impact of greenhouse? Okay, what are the impacts on the greenhouse gases on the global warming or the global climate? Then the consequence of greenhouse effect. The consequence of greenhouse effect. What are the remedial measures regarding the greenhouse effect? So this is about the